Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics part 1st of Standard 10, chapter number 2, Quadratic Equations. Earlier we studied methods of solving quadratic equations, that is factorization method and formula method. Today we are going to study about nature of roots of quadratic equations. Nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation and is denoted by Greek letter delta, that is sign of triangle. Now we will move on to nature of roots of quadratic equation. First, if value of discriminant, that is delta, equal to 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Second, if value of discriminant delta is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Third, if value of discriminant delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are not real. Now we will move on to the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta equal to c upon a. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is written as x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now we will move on to practice set 2.5. Question number 1. Fill in the gaps and complete. First, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. b square minus 4ac equal to 5. That is delta is greater than 0, so nature of roots will be real and unequal. Now b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5, so delta is less than 0, so nature of roots will be not real. Second, sum of roots equal to minus 7 and product of roots equal to 5. Now as we know, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So answer will be x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we will move on to question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. First question, x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Now compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we will get a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to minus 1. After putting values, we will get b square minus 4ac equal to 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 7 square is 49 and 4 into 1 into minus 1 will be plus 4. So 49 plus 4 equal to 53. Question number 3. Root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Compare the given equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will get a equal to root 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to 2 root 2. So the discriminant will be 4 square minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. Now 4 square is 16. And 4 into 2 is 8, root 2 into root 2 is 2, so 8 2s are 16. So 16 minus 16 will be 0. Question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. First, x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will get a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 4. After putting values, we will get b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So the roots are real and equal. Second, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we will get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 2. So after solving b square minus 4ac, we will get delta equal to 33, that is greater than 0. So the roots are real and unequal. Third, m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. In this we will get a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 9. So value of discriminant we will get minus 32. So delta is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Now we will move on to question number 4. Form the quadratic equation if the roots are 0 and 4. So let alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 4. Now we will get alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus 4, that is 4, and alpha beta equal to 0 into 4 equal to 0. So the required quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So we will get x square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0, that is x square minus 4x equal to 0. Third, 1 half and minus 1 half. Let alpha equal to 1 half and beta equal to minus 1 half. Now alpha plus beta we will get 1 half plus minus 1 half. So 1 half minus 1 half will be 0, and alpha beta 1 half into minus 1 half will be minus 1 by 4. So the required quadratic equation will be x square minus 0x plus minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. That is x square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now 4, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Now alpha equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta equal to 2 plus root 5. Therefore alpha plus beta we will get 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancelled out. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now alpha into beta 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So we know the formula a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So after putting values we will get 2 square minus root 5 square. 2 square is 4 and minus root 5 square is 5. So 4 minus 5 will be minus 1. So the required quadratic equation will be x square minus 4x plus in bracket minus 1 equal to 0. So we will get x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will move on to question number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find k. First, 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Now compare the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. So we will get a equal to 3, b equal to k, c equal to 12. Now discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. After putting values we will get k square minus 4 into 3 into 12. So k square minus 144. As the roots are real and equal, so delta will be 0. So k square minus 144 equal to 0. Now as 144 is square of 12, so we will get k square minus 12 square. Therefore k plus 12 into k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore k plus 12 equal to 0 or k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 12 or k equal to 12. Question number 2. Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So first we will arrange the equation in standard form. We will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we will get a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, c equal to 6. Now delta equal to b square minus 4ac will be minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into k into 6. So we will get 4k square minus 24k. As the roots are real and equal, therefore delta will be 0. Therefore 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Take 4k common from both the terms. We will get 4k into bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. After solving we will get k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. As k equal to 0 is unacceptable because if k equal to 0, the coefficient of the quadratic term becomes 0. Hence the equation will not be a quadratic equation. Therefore k equal to 6.